Hey, Tom Cook with Selling to the Moon. A great question came in. How do you create a sense of urgency in a buyer without coming off as overly salesy? And this is a great question. It's one that's very important to look at your sales process first and make sure that you know, number one, exactly why would they need to make a change, right? What are the drivers and what are the financial implications that would drive them to actually have to change to whatever your product or service is that's driving them? What are the benefits going to be, or what are the negative impacts, more importantly, of not making the change? It could be related to finances, money. It could be related to time spent with the existing process. It could also just be frustration with current staffing and what's going on with that, some type of negative implication that's driving them forward. That's the best way to do it. But even if you have that, the next piece and kind of the icing on the cake is some type of time sensitive call to action, right? Specifically in our industry, we have rebates going on that usually happen at the end of a quarter. I don't want to see people miss out on those rebates. Also, inventory. Right now we have a strike going on at the US ports. So things getting in, there's going to be a run on inventory for things like cars and technology products. So inventory availability is another way that you could use time sensitive. I want to make sure that you get this. And then the third and final way, which is another great way, is to get them to, during the sales process, admit that they want to be proactive as opposed to reactive, meaning they'd like to anticipate a problem before it happens and make a change before a product or a service has a problem, goes down, and then they have to be reactive and they may be dealing with several days of downtime. So if you can get them to tell you that they like to be proactive, they want to do that, you can then use that when you're closing and say, hey, you mentioned that you were proactive. We're anticipating that parts availability could be an issue here. We also have a current rebate going on or extended warranty that you can take advantage of. If they move forward, excellent. That rebate or that discount was just the icing on the cake. If they don't move forward, it gives you an opportunity to call them back a week or two later at the end and just say, hey, I know you didn't move forward right away. Just wanted to make sure you don't miss out on this if you're thinking of moving forward. It gets you to a faster no, which in sales, as we've talked about, no is not a bad thing. You want to get people into your pipeline and out of your pipeline as quickly as possible, whether that be with a yes and they're moving forward or whether they're actually giving you a no. So these call to actions that are time sensitive allow you to have a reason to call back, and it allows you to have a good conversation and then either get a move forward or a no. I hope this helped. Have a great day, and drop us a line and a like below. We appreciate any questions. We're happy to address them. Have a great day.